This guide is going to take you through the process of how to copy sections and items within Leganto. So it's really easy to copy both sections and items and move them from one reading list to another, which is really helpful if you're starting a new module or you're updating lists for kind of across multiple courses that you're teaching on. So everything in Leganto will have 3 dots next to it, adjacent to both the sections and the items, and this will open up menus that look like what we see here on the screen that give you a range of options. So in Leganto, as I've explained, we have the ability to copy sections or individual items either to a different reading list, or we can actually copy them within this list as well. So let's take a look at how we do that. So we are looking for the 3 dots, which is the menu. So this is the section menu. We'll click on those 3 dots. We get a few different options. I want to copy this section of weekly readings. It gives me the option to give that a new title. And then, as I've explained, you can either copy it within this list, or when you click on the drop-down menu, you will get all the other reading lists that you are attached to. So I'm just going to click this one here and then click copy. And that has copied that entire section, including the reading relevance for everything that was in that section. Now, to do it on an item level, I'm going to open up a section, find a book that I want to put on a different reading list, and again we're looking for the 3 dots, this time for the item menu. So again, a few different options here. I'm going to choose copy. Here we now get the option, do I want to put it somewhere else in this list as a copy, or do I want to put it in a different list? So again, the drop down menu, all the lists that you're attached to, find the one that you'd like to copy it to, and then you can actually choose which section it's going to go in as well. And then if we click copy, it's going to open this pop-up here that's asking us to assign the reading relevance for this particular item on the different reading list. So I'm just going to pick background for this one and click OK. And that has now put it into the different reading list. So then I could just navigate back to the homepage of Leganto, find the list that I've just copied items into, and we will see here we've got my copies of the weekly readings that I've brought over, and I think I put that item into background reading. So yeah, so it's down here, and then I might want to do some further edits to it by using the item menu. Now, another thing that you can do in terms of copying things from one list to another is you can actually also use the saving to your collection. So maybe you've got things that are across lots of different modules you work on, and you're not actually sure what reading list they're going to go into yet, or you just want to have lots of things together, and we can use that save to collection option as well as an alternative way of doing things.